Hello everyone and welcome to the Java hands-on series. In today's video we will delve into the world of handling dates in Java using the LocalDate class. Our first exercise focuses on writing a function to determine whether a given date falls within the allowed hours for appointments. Suppose you are creating an application that needs to schedule appointments for customers. The requirement is to check whether a given date is on weekdays and within the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. You need to write a function that takes a local date object as parameter and returns true if it is a valid appointment date, otherwise false. This is the function signature. So the name is valid appointment date and this is the parameter. So let's get started. So to solve our exercise, I created this Maven project and I defined this class date and time Katas. And because we practice test-driven development, we will write the JUnit for our function. So before the implementation, so I created this test class using JUnit 5. So first we need an instance of our main class. Let's call it app, and it should be instantiated before each test. So let's define this method. After that we will create our test. Let's call it is valid appointment date. It accepts local date and the expected value. So this is the method and we will annotate it with this annotation, parameterize the test, and we will use this annotation to provide some data, test data to our function. And the test consists of this simple line, just assert that using the method, so the appointment, so we need to import this one, is equal to expected value. So now we need to define this method that provides some test data. I have already prepared one, date. So this function provides some values. This is the value that we need to check and this is the expected value. So as you see here, this is Monday, so this is a valid appointment. This is Saturday, not valid, not valid, not valid. So this should cover all possible cases. So if we run our test, it will fail because we haven't yet provided an implementation for our method. You see the first one fails. Now what we need to do is to implement this method. So first thing, you need to check whether date is null. Then you can return false to avoid a null pointer exception. After that, so the appointment should be on the weekdays. So for that, we need to check. So in LocalDate time, there is one function. You don't need to know that by heart. So it is provided here. Get value. So this one should be between 0 and 5. So to check that, so we can say this value is bigger than 5, then you should return false. When our date survives this test here, so we need to check the hours, and the hour, let's define a variable, is equal to date get hour, and the hour should be between 9 and 17. It means it should be bigger or equal than 9 and at the same time smaller than 17. Now let's check, run, and as you see everything is green. So this was for today. Thanks for watching and bye.